I've returned with introducing yet another cool new feature in Depicter, which is Survey. When you click on Create a Blank, you'll see Survey right here to create a survey from scratch. Surveys are used to gather user feedback by presenting questionnaires to visitors on your website. We've also designed ready-to-use survey templates that you can import, customize to your liking, and use them on your website. I've imported a template to show you Survey's new features in Depicter's editor. On the left sidebar, you'll see Survey added right here, which includes everything you might need to create one: text input, text area, single choice, multiple choice, single photo choice, multiple photo choice, option scale, progress indicator, and an error message. These were the essentials. We also have actions like arrows, previous and next buttons, and a submit button. You may wonder, where do the feedbacks go? Well, if you go back to the Depicter dashboard, you'll see them in leads. Click on them to see the details. Plus, you can download them as a CSV. Alright, that's it everyone. Hope you make the best out of Depicter's new features. Ciao!